Hi friends, very good morning to all. Today I am going to explaining about the AC sonometer experiment for BSc second sem students. This is a very revision experiment. Already you are done in your colleges in this experiment. Those who are still not done this experiment, just you see this experiment. So frequency of AC sonometer. So AC means alternating current. So current whose magnitude continuously changing with respect to time and also its direction changes periodically, it is a alternating current. The current whose magnitude is same remains constant, it is steady, that is a direct current, and it is a unidirection, it is a one direction, that is a DC current. So there is another one word is resonant or resonating length. So the frequency of natural frequency, it is equal to the frequency of drive force, then the vibration will become maximum vibration or sound will be getting, that is a resonance. Whatever the length we take, that length is known as a resonating length. So sonometer, what is sonometer? So sono, first your word sono means sound, therefore which measures the frequency of sound, the apparatus is known as a sonometer. Which one is the measures the frequency of sound? That is a sonometer. Next I start about this experiment. So already we get the aim of the experiment, determine the frequency of AC source. I will show the apparatus here. This is a AC sonometer. Okay, there are two movable bridges. There is a Harshov magnet and AC source, and there is another end of this sonometer. There is a hanger, weighing hanger, that I kept 20 gram weight in this, or the hanger is 20 gram. This is a ferromagnetic material are used, that is ferromagnetic, that is soft iron I used in this experiment. So that's why I taken very low amount of mass, 20 grams I used in this experiment. In this experiment I will show the manual. Here apparatus, you already have shown the apparatus. There is a nature of resonating length and y-axis is root T. T is the tension in the wire. When you are put on the weight in a wire, it get tensioned. So after there is a, you are getting straight line. When you are make it a slope, you get some value, that is in formula. In frequency of AC source, formula N, 1 divided by 2 into square root of m into slope. So before that I will show the observations. In observation, length of the wire, I use the length of wire is 147 centimeter and mass of the wire is 0.38 gram. When you are know about the linear density, that is mass per unit length, so you get the small m value, that value are kept in formula, and also use the slope, we getting the frequency of AC source. I will start how to take the readings. So I will on this AC source. So in AC source, when you are on, there is a vibration will be started. So there is a vibration. So I will have this AC source. I will note that values by help of scale. uh, between the two movable bridge, whatever the distance is covered, that is the resonating length. After 2 times I will take little bit, I vary the two movable bridge, where we get again maximum amplitude or maximum vibration. I will also note and take it average on by these two values, and last column is root T. So root is value of the tension. So this is one of the reading I completed. In second reading I want to know, again I put this value in hanger. So again your same reading will be continuous. Again there is a where we get the maximum amplitude, I will note that one, I will write, and again I will third reading, again you have put the value of 20 gram. So take 5 or 6 reading and put this value in graph. In x axis 1 divided by L, that is length, and y axis root T, that is tension value. And after you are putting there, we get the straight line and make it a slope and put this value in formula. We get the around 50 hertz frequency. You are commonly in our lab, in our home, the frequency of AC is 50 hertz. So approximately that value will be found when you are done the experiment. So this is the experiment you are done. So what were the aim of the experiment? Determine the frequency of AC, that around you are 50 hertz the frequency will be getting when doing this experiment. Thank you so much.